Lane Keep Assist (LKA) system provides corrective steering to prevent the vehicle from departing the lane if the system judges that the departure is unintentional from driver's side. When lanes are not detected by the system, Lane Keep Assist will be in standby mode, and Lane Keep Assist Telltale is displayed in white color. When the system detects the lanes, the lane marking in instrument cluster will turn to green color from gray color, and Lane Keep Assist Telltale is displayed in green color. When the vehicle approaches either the left or right boundary, a slight counter steering torque is provided by steering assist, and the Lane Keep Assist Telltale on the cluster will blink. When Lane Keep Assist system provides steering assist, steering wheel indicator illuminates in green color. When driver does not hold the steering wheel with adequate torque, Lane Keep Assist triggers hands-off warning, and it is continued until the driver holds back the steering wheel. If the driver holds the steering wheel lightly, for a next intervention occurring within 3 minutes, then in addition to the visual alert, audio alert will also be provided until the system makes sure that driver is in full control. Notice: